Namibia, where desert lions roam across vast territories. These desert cats are on a never-ending search for food. And that has brought these young sisters here. Africa's infamous Skeleton Coast. Following years of persecution, Namibia's lions are now protected, and their range is expanding again. These are the first to be seen on these shores for 40 years. By day, there is little for them here. But at night, it's a different story. Seabirds come here to roost in their thousands. These hungry sisters have never seen an opportunity like this. But no cats, certainly no desert cats, enjoy getting their paws wet. These roosting cormorants are sitting ducks for hunters with good night vision. In theory. Birds are not a big cat's usual prey, let alone seabirds. And these sisters need to get their eye in. Catching flying prey in the dark is not easy. But these lions have acquired the knack.